If you are using Resolve 17 and from within the cut page, you can now add titles and fusion titles, meaning animated titles. And the most important that you can use the inspector to customize these titles. Let's take an example. The same way we went to transition, we can go now to titles. And over here, you can go over a title. So the titles here are not animated except the scroll. So this is a right lower third, left lower third, whatever. But what is most interesting is the fusion titles. And you can go over and see exactly how they have been animated. You have a nice call out if you need, and you have a center reveal. That's pretty nice. And you have some very complicated ones that you can work on. Okay, like this one, or I don't know, something like this, whatever. Okay, let's take an example and see exactly how we can add a title from the cut page and customize the title. To add a title is very easy. You just click and drag and drop it in the timeline. And now if you scrub through, you will notice that the title is animated. Let's play it. So there is animation in and there is an animation out. Of course, it doesn't have to be that long. You can adjust the clip time. We are trimming the clip and you still have the animation out. You notice this is the animation out. If you select your title now and go to the inspector, the title of course is a clip, so it will appear under video. You can, for example, change whatever text you have there. Let's write parkour and another line 2020. Of course, you can add whatever you like. Cool, let's go back in the middle. And then you have certain properties that you can change. For example, you can increase the size, you can change the color. I will take, for example, some black. Okay, make it black here is nicer. And you can add the tracking. Okay, you can use the line spacing if you want to. And you have certain anchors and so on. But don't worry, we are going to go through that very much in details later on in the course, so you know very well how to work with titles. For now, all I would like you to try out is adding the titles and trying to change here the parameters. If you don't like the title that you put, you can delete it. Add, for example, this guy. Okay. And you have now a clean and simple sample text. So here you have two texts. The clean and simple, of course, you will change this one. And you have the sample text. You can change this one. Change the fonts and so on the way you would like. So maybe you add some titles now. Of course, we are going to go through these titles much more in details later on with the course. For now, you can just start playing.